Feeling weak and out of shape? You're not alone. Many of us are on a journey to transform our weaknesses into strengths. Today, we're going to start that journey together. We'll unravel the How to Be Weak to Strong blueprint, a roadmap designed to guide you towards your fitness goals. Now, you might be wondering, how can I turn my weak points into my strengths? It's all about understanding your limitations and tailoring a program that targets your specific needs. Don't worry, we've got a plan to help you get there. We'll explore beginner-friendly exercises, discover how to progressively intensify your workouts, and most importantly, we'll delve into the power of mindset. Remember, the journey from weakness to strength is not just about physical transformation, it's about mental transformation too. It's about perseverance, determination, and a whole lot of grit. Ready to design a personalized plan to transform that weakness into strength? Then stay tuned. First things first, identify your weak points. It's crucial to understand where you currently stand in your fitness journey. You can't fix what you don't know, right? Identifying your weak points isn't about self-criticism, but rather, it's about self-awareness. It's looking at yourself honestly and saying, this is where I need to improve. For instance, you might struggle with endurance, finding yourself out of breath quickly during exercises. Or perhaps, it's your upper body strength that needs attention. Whatever it may be, the key is to acknowledge these areas without judgment. Once you've identified these points, you can then tailor a fitness plan to address them. If endurance is your weak point, incorporate more cardio. If it's strength, focus on weightlifting. This way, your workout becomes a targeted approach to transform your specific weaknesses into strengths. Remember, acknowledging your weak points is the first step towards overcoming them. It's not a sign of failure, but a stepping stone to success. Now that you've identified your weak points, it's time to build a custom workout. Starting slow and steady is key. Let's say you're not strong in your upper body. A beginner-friendly exercise would be push-ups. But if you can't do a standard push-up yet, don't worry. Start with wall push-ups, standing close to a wall and pushing yourself away. As you get stronger, gradually increase the distance from the wall and eventually transition to knee push-ups and then full push-ups. Remember, it's not about how many reps you can do right away. It's about being consistent and slowly increasing your strength over time. Maybe your lower body needs work. Squats are great for this. If you can't do a full squat yet, start with chair squats, gradually lowering the height of the chair as you get stronger. These are just examples. You can personalize your workout to suit your fitness level and goals. Your custom workout is your roadmap to strength. Progression is key in your journey from weakness to strength. It's not about getting it perfect from the get-go, it's about making small but steady improvements over time. This principle is known as progressive overload, a concept that says in order to grow stronger you must continually make your muscles work harder than they're used to. Imagine this. You start with a simple exercise like a bodyweight squat. Then you gradually add weight or increase repetitions or reduce rest time between sets. This way, you're constantly challenging your body, pushing it to adapt and grow stronger. But remember, this isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about making huge leaps, but taking small, consistent steps. It's about gradual improvement, not instant perfection. So if you're feeling stuck or if progress seems slow, don't be disheartened. You're on the right track, and every small step you make brings you closer to your goal. Remember, small, consistent steps lead to big gains. Your mindset is a powerful tool in your transformation from weakness to strength. The mind is a fascinating thing. It can be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. It's the place where battles are won or lost, and it's the key to turning weakness into strength. Now let's discuss the importance of a positive mindset. It's not simply about being blindly optimistic, it's about recognizing your weaknesses, acknowledging them, and then adopting a proactive approach to improve. It's about believing in your ability to grow, to change, and to become stronger. This is what we call a growth mindset. The belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed with time, effort, and determination. But what happens when you encounter a mental roadblock? Let's say you've had a bad day, and you're feeling demotivated. How do you push past this? The key is to shift your perspective. Instead of viewing this as a setback, see it as an opportunity for growth. Remember, it's okay to have bad days. What matters is how you bounce back and keep going. Let's illuminate this with a story. Picture a young man who was always the last one picked for sports teams at school. He was weak and uncoordinated, constantly ridiculed by his peers. But instead of letting this define him, he used it as fuel. He started working out, focusing on his weaknesses and pushing himself every day. It took time, it took effort, but he persevered. Today, he's a well-respected personal trainer, helping others transform their weaknesses into strengths. This story is a testament to the power of perseverance and determination. It shows that no matter where you start, it's where you end up that counts. And it all begins with your mindset. Believe in yourself, embrace the journey, and remember that every step, no matter how small, is progress. It's about getting better each day, not being the best right away. With the right mindset, you can turn any weakness into strength. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We started by identifying our weak points. Remember, self-awareness is the first step towards improvement. Once we've got a clear idea of our weaknesses, we move on to building a custom workout. This isn't about following someone else's routine, but creating a program tailored to our specific needs. We also talked about progression. It's vital to gradually increase the intensity of our workouts to ensure we're not just going through the motions but truly pushing our limits. And most importantly, we emphasized the role of mindset. Mental toughness and a growth mindset are just as important as physical strength. We also shared a personal story, underscoring the power of perseverance and the transformational journey from weakness to strength. Remember, transforming from weakness to strength is a journey, not a sprint. Share your stories of transformation in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more inspiration.